everyone, welcome back to my channel, and the topic for today is about nth term of a sequence. Are you ready? Okay, so what is a sequence? Sequence is a set of numbers written in a special order by the application of a definite rule. Each number in the sequence is called a term. So this is an example of a sequence: 3, 7, 11, 15, and blank. So what is actually a term? Okay, what is a term? So a term is the number that is in the sequence. So we have 3 as the first term, then the second term, the third term, the fourth term. Okay, so they're called the term. Now, ano ang gagawin natin dito? So hahanapin natin yung fifth term. Now, so para malaman natin yon, ano ang gagawin natin? So let's try to see the common difference of these numbers. Let's say 7 minus 3. Okay, mag-start tayo dito sa 15 minus 11. Then, that is 4. Okay, then 11 minus 7. That is also 4. And 7 minus 3. That is also 4. So, they have common difference. So, gagawa tayo ng formula para makuha natin yung fifth term. Okay? Since ang common difference nila ay 4, so gagamitin natin yung 4. So, let's say 4. Ang common difference nila is, so, gawa tayong formula. So, 4n. Okay? So, n represents the term. Okay? Whether that is the first term, second, third, or whatever term it is. So, yun yung term. Okay? Then, next step is, sasubtract natin yung 3 minus 4. Okay? Yung 3, yung first term, minus yung common difference. Okay, so that is 3 minus 4. So, what do you think is the answer? So, the answer is, okay, so that is negative 1. So, dugtong natin dito sa formula. So, 4n minus 1. Okay? So, try natin i-solve yung fourth term kung tama, kung 15 ang lalabas. Okay? So, yung n, that represents a term. Okay, so 4 times, parenthesis muna tayo, and then 4, fourth term, so times 4, close parenthesis, minus 1. So, that is equals to 4 times 4 is 16 minus 1. And that is equals to 15. So, tama yung nasa fourth term natin. So, the same thing ang gagawin natin sa fifth term. Okay. So, yung 4, papalitan lang natin ng 5. So, 4 times yung fifth term minus 1. Okay. So, 4 times 5 is 20 minus 1. That is equals to 19. So, our fifth term is 19. Okay? Okay, so let's have another example. We have 4, 7, 10, and 13. So, and also the missing number. Okay, so we have the first term, the second, the third, the fourth, and the fifth term, which is the missing number. Okay, so first, what are we going to do? So we're going to find the common difference. So 13 minus 10, that is 3. 10 minus 7 is also 3. And 7 minus 4 is also 3. So ano next natin gagawin? So we're going to use the common difference, which is 3. And then times n. Okay, so next step is, so we're going to subtract yung first term minus yung common difference. So 4 minus 3. So yung kanina, so we used 3 minus 4. So that's why ang answer natin ay negative 1. Okay, kasi mas maliit yung 3 sa 4. So but this time, yung 4 mas malaki sa 3. Kaya ang sagot natin is what? That is positive. Okay, positive 1. Okay, so since that is positive 1, so ang formula natin is 3n plus 1. Okay, now let's try to solve for the fifth term. So yung fifth term natin, replace lang natin yung letter n ng 5. So 3 times 5, which is the fifth term, plus 1. So 3 times 5 is 15 plus 1. So the answer is, okay, 16. So our answer is, or the fifth term is 16. Now, kung titignan natin, yung 16 minus 13 is also 3. So pareho, common difference. So meaning, tama yung sagot natin. But what if ang hahanapin natin ay ang, let's say, 20th term? Okay, so ano kaya ang sagot? So same formula, gamitin natin 3n plus 1. Okay, so 3n plus 1. So 3 times yung term natin, which is 20 plus 1. So 3 times 20 is equals to 60 plus 1. So our answer is 61. So the 20th term is 61. Okay? So, yun yung 20th term natin. Okay, but remember, this formula is only possible kung common ang ating difference. Okay? Yan ang gagamitin nating formula. Okay, so another example is this one, which is 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay. So, this is the first term, second, third, and fourth. Now, same procedure, no? Let's try to find the common difference. This is 9, 12 minus 9 is 3, 9 minus 6 is 3, and then 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay, so 3. So kung titignan pa rin natin, so para lang tayong gumawa ng multiples, di ba? So parang 3, 6, 9, 12, so ano susunod? 15, 18, so yun lang. Or pwede natin gamitin yung formula 3n. Okay, 3 minus 3 is, mina-minus natin, di ba? 3, this one minus this one, 3 is equals to 0. So 0, so wala na tayo ilalagay dito. So, gawin na lang natin ganito. So yung n, that is the term. So let's say for example, kung ito yung first term, second term, third, this is fourth. So example natin, 3 times 4, that is equals to 12. So tama, di ba? O kung sabihin natin ang hinahanap natin ay ika-8 term. Okay, ano kaya yun? So 3 and this is our formula. So kaya magiging 3 times 8. So the answer is 24. That is the 8th term. Okay. Okay, so another example. So first, this is 6, 11, 21, then blank, then 56, 81, and then blank. So again, check natin yung difference nila. So this is 5. 11 minus 6 is 5. 21 minus 11 is 10. And then this is 81 minus 56 is 25. Tama. 25. So parang may pattern na agad, di ba? 5, 10. Tingin nyo, no? So meaning, siguro dito, wala. Question mark, di ba? And then ito, that is another question mark. Ilan kaya difference ng 56 sa yung number dito, and then yung number dito, minus 21. Okay, wala rin. So, tingnan natin. So, if this is 5, 10, ano kayo susunod sa 10? Okay, so you guess it right. That is 15 and this is 20. That is 25 and probably this is 25, 30. So multiples of 5 lang, no? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So paano natin makukuha yung number na yun? So add lang. So 6 plus 5 is 11, di ba? 11 plus 10 is 21. So 21 plus 15 is 36. Okay. 36. So 36, tingnan natin kung tama. Plus 20 is Okay, that's correct. 56. And 56 plus 25 is 81, di ba? 81. So, 81 plus 30 is, okay, 111. Okay. So, that's 111. Okay, so let's have another example. So, same procedure. Check natin yung difference nila. Okay, so tignan natin kung may pattern. This is 9 minus 4 is 5. And then 7 minus 9. Papunta tayo dun ha. Papunta dun pag nag-minus. 7 minus 9 is, so since mas maliit yung 7 sa 9, so the answer is negative 2. 12 minus 7 is 5. So dito may pattern na siya. 5 and then negative 2 and then 5. So probably ito ay what? So negative 2 dito. And then dito ay 5 and then again negative 2. Negative 2 yan. And this is 5 and this is negative 2. So, yan yung pattern natin. 5, negative 2, 5, negative 2, 5, negative 2. Okay. So, that is 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 minus 2, 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. Tama. 12 minus 2 is, okay, that is 10. Okay, 10 plus 5 is 15. And 15 minus 2, that is, okay, that is 13. Okay, there you go. So, lagi lang natin tatandaan yung pattern. See you next time and thanks for watching.